everyone! Welcome to Mahida Academy. Today's lecture explores the concept of fasting from a Quranic perspective, specifically focusing on Surah Al-Baqarah verse 183.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون.
O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting as it was decreed upon those before you that you may become righteous. This verse isn't a mere obligation. It's a call to action, an opportunity for self-reflection and connection with something greater. Through fasting, we can cultivate self-discipline, empathy, and ultimately achieve spiritual growth. Today, we will unveil the power of fasting as a transformative tool for self-improvement and spiritual growth. Fasting is practiced by millions worldwide, from athletes to people of many faiths practice religious fasting, including Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, Judaism, and Taoism. In Islam, fasting, or Sawm in Arabic, is a mandatory religious duty for healthy adult Muslims during the month of Ramadan. But what are the core Islamic teachings behind this practice? Let's dive into the details of this Quranic verse about fasting. This verse addresses believers directly, emphasizing the obligation of fasting.
كتب عليكم الصيام.
It establishes fasting as a religious duty, similar to how it was practiced by previous communities.
كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم.
The verse goes beyond mere obligation. It unveils the ultimate purpose of fasting.
لعلكم تتقون.
That you may become righteous. The word taqwa refers to God consciousness, a state of piety and awareness of God's presence. Fasting, therefore, becomes a means to cultivate this inner quality. By abstaining from food and drink, we create space for self-reflection and a deeper connection with the divine. Fasting in our daily lives. The verse from Surah Al-Baqarah isn't a relic of the past. It holds immense relevance for our daily lives. Fasting serves as a powerful tool for self-discipline. Abstaining from food and drink teaches us self-control and strengthens our willpower. Empathy. Fasting allows us to experience hunger, reminding us of those less fortunate and fostering compassion. Spiritual growth. By refocusing our energy from physical needs to spiritual ones, fasting creates space for prayer, reflection, and connecting with God. Fasting isn't just about restriction, it's about transformation. It teaches us to appreciate what we have, value moderation, and develop a deeper sense of purpose. Application beyond Ramadan. While many associate fasting with Ramadan, the concept extends beyond this specific month. Different religious traditions and even health practices incorporate various forms of fasting. This opens doors for exploration. You can consider intermittent fasting, where you restrict eating to specific windows within a day. You could also explore fasting from technology or social media for a set period to regain control and focus. The key takeaway is to find a form of fasting that resonates with you and your lifestyle. Benefits of fasting. Research has shown various benefits associated with fasting, including improved physical health. Fasting can improve blood sugar control, boost metabolism, and promote cell regeneration. Enhanced mental clarity. By reducing distractions like constant snacking, fasting can sharpen focus and improve cognitive function. Increased spiritual connection. Fasting creates space for introspection and strengthens one's relationship with the divine or a higher purpose. Fasting is a journey of self-discovery, with benefits that extend far beyond physical restrictions. So, whether you're a believer or not, the concept of fasting holds immense potential for personal growth. It's a call to challenge ourselves, reconnect with our inner selves, and ultimately, become better versions of ourselves. Remember, fasting isn't meant to be a punishment. It's a powerful tool for self-improvement, spiritual growth, and ultimately, achieving taqwa, God consciousness. Thank you for joining us today. Want to dive deeper? Check out the text explanation below the video for more details. Thanks for joining Mahida Academy.